going to make a film with a double role.
I was working as a reporter in Vancouver and I got laid off.
You get into the stagnation.
It was not respectable to be a hairdresser. This industry was extremely frowned upon.
Sometime last year, someone very close to me was diagnosed with cancer.
Chaliya is a story about Raj Kapoor who falls in love with Shanti, played by Nutanji, who has been abandoned by her husband post-partition. And he does all he can to reunite the two despite being in love with her. The film is multi-layered, and though it is based on the Russian story White Nights, it's also a commentary on the Indo-Pak partition and is a not-so-subtle allegory of the Ramayana. It had great music, nuanced performances, and did pretty well at the box office. It was Manmohan Desai's directorial debut, and it's definitely worth a watch.
Almost all of you know that Manmohan Desai was one of the most successful filmmakers in India. But do you know how it all started? Let me tell you. Manmohan Desai in around 1956-1957 was assisting Mr. Babubhai Mistry, then the father of VFX of India, or rather you would say special effects at that point of time. During the making of a film called Janam Janam Ke Phere, Babubhai took very ill and the film came to a standstill. But my father's older brother, Subhash Desai, saw a spark in my father and he asked him to complete the film, which he did, and he went on to becoming a great success. He realized that he has a director in his own brother. He decided to give him a break. So he told him, he said, Manmohan, I would like to now you independently direct a movie. He was thrilled. So he said, who would you like to work with? Manmohan Desai idolized Raj Kapoor and his favorite actress was Nutanji. He told his brother, if you give me these two actors, I'll make a great film for you. The brother said, no problem. I'll take you to Raj Kapoor.
तुम इतनी पास हो कि मैं तुम्हें छू सकता हूँ और तुम इतनी दूर हो कि चांद और तारे तुमसे नजदीक मालूम होते हैं और तुम तक पहुंचना बहुत बड़ा था।
और
बस आज के लिए इतना ही काफी। नीचे लिख दो तुम्हारा, सिर्फ तुम्हारा।
Subhash Desai and Raj Kapoor were very dear friends. He called him, took his appointment, and both my father and my uncle went. They met Mr. Raj Kapoor and he told Subhash Desai, he said, tell me Subhash, what can I do for you? He said, Raj Sahab, I want to make a film with you. He said, anytime, pleasure. Who's the director? So he said, this younger brother of mine, Manmohan, he's going to direct this film. He looked at my father. He said, ये लौंडा मुझे डायरेक्ट करेगा? He asked him, तुम्हारी उम्र कितनी है? He said, sir, I'm all of 21. He says, you'll direct Raj Kapoor and you're just 21. My father, known for his sharp tongue, he told him, he said, you directed yourself and acted in it when you were 23, 24 in your first film, Aag. Why can't I do the same? He was stunned. He said, Subhash, I don't know. So my father said, do one thing. You shoot one schedule with me. If you like it, we go ahead. If you don't like my work, I will replace you. You will go and some other actor will come. But I will remain the director. That is the confidence Manmohan Desai had in himself. And thus, Chaliya was born.
छलिया मेरा नाम, छलिया मेरा नाम, छलिया मेरा नाम, छलिया मेरा नाम। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबको मेरा सलाम, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबको मेरा सलाम।
Once Raj Kapoor and Nutan were on board, Manmohan Desai faced another huge challenge. He had to justify the faith Raj Kapoor and Nutan had placed in him and come up with a great story and screenplay. He realized that Raj Kapoor used to work with a great team of writers. K. Abbas, Vasant Sate, Indiraj Anandji. These were his permanent writers. So he went up to Indiraj Anand and he asked him, he said, do you have any good script for me? I have signed Raj Kapoor Nutan. He said, I'll make you hear a few subjects that I have. He heard them, they were good. He said, yet give me something that, I am entering the film industry, I want to come with a bang and make a name for myself. He said, Manmohan, I have got one script. It's rather based on a book by a Russian author called White Knights. Hear it. So he narrated him the subject and my father freaked out, put his hand on the subject and he said, this is it. They developed the script and that's how Chaliya's story, screenplay and dialogues were written. What is interesting, everybody knows that Ranbir Kapoor made his debut with film Sawariya. But little do people realize that Sawariya, the story is exactly the same story of Chaliya. And the beauty is, his grandfather Raj Kapoor played the title role, and here Ranbir has played the same character. Of course, the scenes have been different, but the story is basically the same.
Hi, this is Pooja Desai. Thank you for watching Webali TV. We are deeply indebted for your support. We have been listening to your comments and suggestions and are working to tweak our format to suit the feedback we have received from you. So please keep watching and telling us what you think and what you want. We are also returning with some new episodes of our older shows. So stay tuned and keep watching Webali TV.
We would love to hear your feedback and answer any questions you may have. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Webali TV. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Mrs. Always Right Cooks, and this is Pooja Desai.
We are going to make a film with a double role.
I was working as a reporter in Vancouver and I got laid off. You get into the stagnation. It was not respectable to be a hairdresser. This industry was extremely frowned upon.
Sometime last year, someone very close to me was diagnosed with cancer.